Hey folks, who's ready to go racing? No, seriously, we're actually going to go this time. Yep, it's on. Welcome everybody. This is Rick from Team Two Gills. Hope everyone's getting a chance to go out this weekend and get some racing in. I'm heading out to the Extreme Series Riverbend Rally. It's going to be awesome. Looking forward to that. I know GNCC's this weekend. I think a bunch of races are starting to open up. Hoping you're getting a chance to get out and do some racing. If you are, make sure you be safe. This is probably the first time for us racing, for a lot of us out there racing this year. So, don't expect much, but main thing, be safe, keep socially distanced, don't get wrapped up in all that garbage. And, let's have a lot of fun. So I'm out here today, just putting the final touches here. You can see here getting loaded up. Got the little number 222 in. Got my generator. I think it's going to be hot. We're going to be needing some AC. So taking the toy hauler out this time. Got a pretty far haul for us. It's down in southern Indiana, so it's a pretty long drive for us. We're going to get up first thing in the morning on Friday and head there and just relax a little bit. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully here. This time next week we're going to be flooded with racing videos from everybody. Have some content out there to watch, keep ourselves busy. It's been kind of lean here lately. Everyone's been kind of doing riding videos and as many repairs and upgrades you could possibly squeeze in. So looking forward to actually watching some race videos and see what everyone's got going on. And it's going to be exciting there. So that's really it. A quick video. Again. Hope to see you out there at the Extreme. If you are, stop by and say hi. Gonna have some Cycle Gear coupons for you, $20 off if you're looking for that. Other than that, just stop by and introduce yourself. That's it. As always, if you would, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button so you can keep seeing these videos, and keep our fingers crossed there. We'll have a good result this weekend. Everyone take care.